today I will be showing you how to get this hat in Metal Company in the brand new update. You wanna go? Okay. You wanna get up here, and this is with that and your cheats, and so with that you can but yeah. So I can actually beat it. Okay. You see what I'm doing? Oh yeah. You wanna go up here? Okay, you're out level 2 now. Okay, why is it dark? Did I deactivate something? Oh my god, I kind of glitched it because I'm not supposed to, the sky's not supposed to be gray like this. Okay, I don't know what I did. Don't worry about this. Yeah. Do that once again. Okay, you go up here. Okay. So you want to go up here again? Oh yeah, so you guys want to jump. Okay, I'm up here now. Watch out for the spikes. Okay. At this area. Okay. There's actually a technique over here. You don't want to go down there, I think it's a trap. Okay. You want to go up here, you don't want to go anywhere over there. It's right here. Oh, I hit my wall. Oh my god. Okay. I don't really know how to do this part, but at least try to go over it. Okay. You're good now. You want to just over here. I'm not trying to speedrun this, by the way. They time me. You wanna go up here now? Guys, see where I am? I wanna do that. I did it with a friend yesterday, but whatever. I'm just showing you. By the way, the button gives 3 research points if you complete it. So, why did I go that way? Okay. I'll take the shortcut, I guess. Okay. You already know the drill. I think Okay, oh yeah, I forgot. You can take the shortcut by going this way. So, I'll just take the shortcut. Because why not? I want to go to the phone. Shortcut is actually very easy. This part's good. I don't know. You want to go up here now? When you're up here, go over here. at this part now. You wanna go up here. And yeah. Be careful if the thing is rising. This toxic acid is rising, but it's okay. Okay. Go up here now. Ah! What? No. Okay. You know the drill. This is the last part. The lasers. By the way, they don't one-shot you, so it's okay. It's actually very easy. It will take longer, so you want to take the shortcut. It don't fully one-shot you. That's it. Okay, when you're up here, you want to get up here, and you want to go up here now. Okay, you want to be careful. I don't think these lasers want to shot you. Ow! Okay. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, now you want to go up here. I think, yes, now you beat it. Oh, I beat my high score. Last time it took me 12 minutes. Now you want to click this button, and you got it. Let's go. Congratulations. Now you just want to leave. Okay. So, since I left the game and rejoined back, since I'm gonna find the exit. Oh my god, my VR is glitching. Okay, you should have this hat now. Also, yeah, if you go over here. Okay. You can go to hats, and you can just go over here and do fire. So, bye guys, have a good day, and yeah.